Hi mga mami, sa mga anak dyan ng June 2027, underemployed, turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-calculate or mag-check ng SSS MatPen. So I'm using SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator.com. Sa mga gusto mag-self-compute, punta lang po kayo dito and follow the steps lang. So yung sa step number 1 natin, yung member type, ilagay nyo lang, tsaka yung maternity case nyo. So ang gagawin natin is employed. Yan, click nyo yung employed and normal delivery, CS delivery. Kung mga solo parent dyan, click nyo lang yung solo parent. So for other category, I'll be making another videos for this category po. Yan, so kung yan, yung enter natin yung EDD natin, which is ang gagawin natin is June 2027. So ang qualifying period natin is January 2026 to December 2026. So kailangan meron daw kayong at least 3 months posted contribution para mag-qualify kayo. And then sa step number 3, ilagay nyo lang kung ano yung contribution nyo or kung magkano yung contribution nyo. So dito, yan, so piliin nyo lang kung ano yung kabisado nyo. Let's say for example, payslip. Yun yung alam nyo, yung dinededuct sa inyo ng employer nyo, or kung yung total contribution nyo, yung employee-employer share. Then ilagay nyo lang dito kung magkano yung contribution nyo. So let's say for example, 3,000 yung contribution nyo, yung combined contribution nyo. Yan. Then, i-click nyo lang itong calculate maternity benefits. Yan. So, lalabas na dito yung estimate kung magkano yung pwede nyo makuha kay SSS. Again, ang ilalagay nyo dito is kung magkano yung contribution nyo po ha. Ayan. So, by the way mga mamis, just in case you need extra fund po ha, for your delivery or anything, yan, you can click this po, need funds. I have a referral link po dito. Pag clinic nyo yan, madadirect kayo kay Union Bank Credit Card. So, wala naman tayong commitment po dito whether you're qualified or not. Pwede po kayong mag-fill up. And sa mga gustong magpa-compute or magpa-estimate, comment lang your EDD, your member type, and your maternity case. Or kung may questions po kayo, just make sure na naka-subscribe po kayo and naka-hit yung notification button nyo just in case na mag-post again ako ng video, then manonotify po kayo.